Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and today we are doing May monthly favorites. I have a lot of stuff this time compared to my last monthly favorites, so let's get started. So the first category we have is beauty and skincare. I have two pieces from their collection, but it is the Alba Botanica Acnedote in maximum strength. I have the face and body scrub and the Astringent. This stuff has cleared my face up so well, and it's so easy to find. You can literally get it at Target. I even got this at TJ Maxx. This stuff is pretty affordable and it is awesome. The only downside to it is it dries my skin out. You probably can't tell, but my whole forehead is really dry. So I have to moisturize a good bit right after I use this. And the way I use these is I wash my face once a day in the shower, and then if I have like a pimple or like a patch of spots, I will put some of this on a cotton pad and wipe it over the area. I will use this sometimes more than once a day if I've got a really bad spot. Like I had a big spot right over here over my eyebrow, and I got it to clear up in about 3 days. I cannot recommend this brand enough, especially if you have like hormonal acne and you can't find something to help it. Go for these guys. So of course, having to moisturize with the stuff from Alba Botanica, I have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is the Intense Hydration Skin Protectant in Rosemary Mint. I also picked this up at TJ Maxx. I have used First Aid Beauty's moisturizer before, the one in the tube, and I saw this at TJ Maxx and was like, I'm gonna give it a try. And definitely this stuff works. I really like it, especially when I get really dry around the forehead and the cheeks. This stuff will fix it. But like, I adore this stuff. And after I had fallen in love with it, I found this bad boy right here. It is the Ultra Repair Cream, and this is the Intense Hydration Skin Protectant with Fab Antioxidant Booster. This is the Jasmine. This is the big guy. Like, let me show you. Look how big. This thing is 60 bucks on First Aid Beauty's website, and I got it for $19.99. This can be used on face and body, and it smells so refreshing. You get a whole bunch of it, and it feels so good. I like to put this on my cheeks, on my elbows, on my legs, just everywhere. This stuff is great, and I highly recommend it. I have been going to TJ Maxx quite a lot, and I finally decided to get one of these. It is a rose quartz roller. I don't know what brand this is from. This was just kind of in their beauty tools section, so I just picked it up, and it feels so good. It's got the two ends. You've seen these everywhere at the larger end, and then it has the smaller end, and I just love to roll my face. I used a face mask with this last night, and it felt so good on the skin. I highly recommend you pick one of these up if you don't have one. It will change your life. It feels so good. The only makeup product that I have really been enjoying this month is the Becca Opal highlighter. I really like this stuff because you can really layer it and it's not greasy looking. I actually have it on today and I love it. This is the sample size, of course. This stuff looks so good and it's not glittery. And one thing I look for in a highlight is something that isn't chunky with glitter. I hate those. I need something that's smooth and goes on, that can be buildable, and this stuff is awesome. I've also used the shade Moonstone, but the Opal one is, I think, just my favorite. It's so perfect, so warm, and it's a really great product to have. Especially if you're not a super big fan of highlighters and you want something natural like I do, give these a try. Next, I have some fashion items, and you've already seen one of them on me. They are my earrings. I got a whole pack of acrylic earrings from Amazon, and these are one of my favorite pairs. This is the listing on Amazon, and with shipping and everything, each pair of earrings was only like 65 cents. I love them. They're lightweight, they don't bother my ears, and those earrings are such a great deal. Literally, there's 15 in all, and I'm so happy with them. Our next category is technology, and I'm definitely blown away with these Amazon purchases. I got this gorgeous, I'm gonna go ahead and hold it in front of my face, laptop case, and it's so beautiful. They have several different models. So for instance, I have the MacBook Pro 2018 with touch bar. It's a 15-inch, and they had a case, and it came with the plastic top the plastic bottom, a screen protector that I currently don't have on there, a free mouse pad with the company name, LuvCase, and my favorite part, the keyboard cover that matches it. It's this really pretty kind of like periwinkle blue, and I love this thing. My mom actually ordered me this, but it's this super cute Mickey Mouse AirPod case. It has a little thing where you can hang it on your keys, and it's Mickey Mouse and has a heart on it, and it can keep my AirPods from getting even more scratched up than they already are. I love horror films. My favorite horror films are the ones from the 80s. And this month I have watched the Re-Animator franchise and have seen the first one probably 2 or 3 times this month alone. This movie is wild. It's gory, bizarre, it's great, it's wild. It has Barbara Crampton in it, and for those of you who don't know, she is a classic horror movie scream queen. I love her in Chopping Mall. James A. Janice over at Dead Meat doing the kill count has covered it. I will link it down below if you want to check that out. But yeah, if you want a horror movie that's wild, 80s, and crazy, then just go watch it. It's a blast. Plus, like, the intro music is bomb. There's a clarinet solo, and you know, like, clarinet solos. So for music, I am a huge ABBA fan and was trying to find more of their older tracks to listen to. So I found a playlist that had all of their music, and there's an older song called Rock Me. That one is so good. I love the beat. It's got more of the guys singing, and it's just great. It's great. I keep saying it's great, like over and over, like that changes anything. It's a really good song. It's super catchy, and if you are trying to find some of their older kind of rock stuff, that is definitely a good one you should check out. I also bought a new ringtone this month, and I'm gonna play a little bit for you, but for those of you who don't know, my favorite ride at Disney is the Carousel of Progress, and I love the song, There's a Great Big Beautiful Tomorrow. I cannot find my ringtone, oh my gosh.
There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great...
How could you not love that? My camera battery died. I don't know, are you closer to me than I was last time? I don't remember, but the camera battery died. For home goods, I needed some shelves for the wall, and I bought one earlier in May and then bought another one. This big guy from TJ Maxx. I have one hanging up over there. You can, like, right next to the clothing rack. You can't see it. I absolutely love this thing. I have my pop figures on it, and some plants, and some crystals, and candle, and I can't wait to hang up the other one. And finally, the Ikea desk saga has ended. I finally have it. I'm sitting here right now. It is beautiful, and I put it together myself, and I am so pleased with it, and am so excited that I finally have it. I tried to film myself putting it together, but it took me literally 2.5 hours to put it together, and I don't know if any of you wanted to see that, so yeah, plus I looked gross and I was sweating and had no makeup on, so it's fine. Such big drawers, and they're so roomy, and I'm going to eventually do a what's on my desk, and yeah, so just to let you know, the Ikea desk saga is over. But yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and seeing some of the things I've been liking this month. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe if you did like it, and see all the adventures we go on here. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.